Assalamualaikum friends, today we are going to do an experiment for water purification. So here we are having dirty water and we will turn this in clean water. First of all we are having this cutted bottle, his sand, stones and cotton. So let's start. First we will put it here. We will have some cotton. Then we are having this sand. Now we have added a layer of sand. Now we will put some stones in that. Now I have put a layer of stones. Now I'll put this dirty water in this, and first it will go from the stones, then from sand, and then from cotton. So let's go. It is going slowly, and you can see fresh water is coming. Okay, now you see this water is clean, and now this is comparatively clean than this water. Thank you.